ASE Flo-Rite has the system directly from Switzerland, which is where it was invented over 20 years ago. We brought it to America 2 years ago, and it's been very successful in Wisconsin and Illinois, and eventually will be expanding around the country. The key to the process is having hot, dry air. To dry the pipes properly and get the incrustations good and hot and brittle, you need to have air that's 150 degrees or hotter and dry with no humidity in it. To start with, we have a compressor that's industrial grade that has filters and dryers and heaters built into it. From the compressor, it pumps it through our super air heater, which is outside, along with our header. At that point, we bring it into the house. Then, to make sure that we get the air hot and dry again, we run it through this super air. This was invented about 5 years ago by the same inventor, and this is a booster heater that makes sure that the air going into the pipes at the closest point is up to at least 150 degrees. So we use this unit to heat the air, then we go into the diverter, which now can divert air 7 times. That is enough to do a full bathroom with a tub and shower, a sink, a toilet, and a kitchen sink. So we're able to handle it all through this diverter and super air, and from that point then we will show you how the process goes into the walls. The beauty of the water pipe restoration process is that we don't have to destroy the home to get at the pipes. We're able to get at the pipes just underneath the sink, at the toilet, and in the shower valve. If you look down on the floor here, you'll see that we have floor liner down. This is what we come in with to cover the floors so that we don't get anything spilled on your floors or ruin anything. Then we bring in our hoses, we connect them underneath the sink, we turn on the air, and we blow the hot air, dry air backwards from the point of connection here down into the basement or wherever your main cold water connection point is. That could be a well tank, that could be the water service from the street, which would be your meter. We also then blow backwards on the hot side to your water heater. That's your origin of your hot water pipe. So from this point here, we're going to blow hot, dry air. We're going to dry out the pipes. Once we get the pipes hot and dry, we'll then start the sandblasting process. We blow sand into the pipes and reclaim it down through the reclaim hose that comes off of the meter or the water heater. We take that corundum and the buildup that's on the inside of the pipe out to our reclaim equipment that has a filtering system, so no dust, no mess into the air. It's totally contained. We take everything away. After we've sandblasted the pipes, we pressure test the pipes, and we actually look inside the pipes with an endoscope. We make sure that they're good and clean on both ends, and if they're good and clean on both ends, we know that we've got the whole pipe network clean and free of any debris, that now we can start lining the pipes with the epoxy. We then figure out and calculate the amount of epoxy that we have to use for each run. We pump our epoxy into our cartridge. We put the cartridge in line, blow it in here at this point, watch for it to come out the exit point. When we know it's at the exit point, we know we've lined the pipe properly. Once we're done lining, we let the pipes dry for 10 to 15 minutes. We let it cure overnight, 24 hours, turn the water back on, and you've got good, clean running water with sealed pipes that will last up to 200 years. All in all, the ASE Flo-Rite system is the perfect alternative. It saves you 30 to 50% on your water pipe restoration bill, and you have no destruction to the house. The perfect alternative. Reline, don't